gotta have something else. Oh, we got something else. Okay, so Kelly Smith here at Nelson, and social distancing and keeping ourselves as safe as we can in the factory. And what I want to show you are sinks. We have these, so back off. So we got these nice portable sinks, and there's two basic versions. There is a non-NSF version, and there's an NSF version. I want to explain the difference between the two. You do not need a 3-bowl sink for NSF. You need to have a paper towel dispenser attached, you need to have a soap dispenser attached, and your water tanks are the big deal. NSF requires translucent water tanks, so you can see the algae growing in them, a special fill connector, which is a garden hose, but it doesn't let anybody fill the water. Those overflows on the water tank, overflow on the waste tank, a 1-inch valve for clean out. So these are expensive tanks, everything's sealed, you know, and you got control over your water supply. So that is a requirement for NSF. We make this style and this style both with NSF. Again, you need a paper towel dispenser installed, a soap dispenser installed, and you have the high dollar water tank. Non-NSF. You bring your own soap, you bring your own sanitizer, you bring your own paper towels, you get none of that. Nope, that's what you get, non-NSF. And you get inexpensive water tanks. These are potable water tanks. However, there's no overflows. This is not NSF approved. It is UL listed. Great for a factory floor. We got this one in our shipping department. These things are all made, all stainless steel. Very easy to keep clean. Again, my water tank, this just pulls out. This one over here, slide it over a little bit. A little bit of a tilt. There's the inside, so very clean. Like that and over. And you're in business. 5 gallons, and I don't know how much it uses in a hand wash. You probably can get 40 or 50 easily hand washes with this little neat auto-off tool. We gotta have something else. Oh, we got something else.